Okay, cool. Cops can't find you there.
Once the two had realized that their relationship was at the potential end, they took that opportunity to make a run for it.
You got everything you need? This week coming back.
Going down.
Fake to him, from the plot, Amendola.
And when you need run game is when you have your third string quarterback in the ball game and they got run game a week ago in Minnesota. This guy, Ty Johnson, and as well as
Hey, are you a good boy? You a good boy? Yeah, you're a good boy. Addie's a good girl. Yeah. Addie's a good girl. Yes, she is. Ow!
You know you can't be. you know. Stop. Are you growling at me?
He's purring.
La perra mia, la mia perra, pa perra mia, la sienna, la rienna, and daddy too.
Is he getting you, Ayla? Look, he's getting you. He's getting you.
He's chasing her.
Sit.
Back up. Back up.
What the hell?
resolve that when
Nagrito o bicho?
Susie.
Come on, baby. Come on, you got it.
Outside, and I found a 4-leaf clover. Charlie, look, Mom found a 4-leaf clover. Want to smell it? No, you can't.
Oh, Chicky. Little Chicky boom booms.
My horse is giving Drake
It's okay.
Like that I'm all stretched out.
He has to. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, get in there. Get that bubble. Get it.
Do you want your gift? Show it to me. Where is it? Find it. Find it. That's right. That's your gift. That's your gift. You cleaning Mama's shoe?
Marty's a fairy.
What do you think? Pink wings, Marty. You almost got it. Out of the picture.
No, you no grumpin'. No, you no grumpin'. No, you no grumpin'.
Okay, Strike. You want to go for a walk? Is it walk time? Huh? We're gonna go for a walk today? What do you...
The crowds are done.
Oh, don't.
No, she won't bother the tree. She won't bother the ornaments in the tree.
Scarlet, where are you going?
He's like, Daddy, look what the chicken's doing. The chicken was pecking your tablet.
Can you move my tablet so he doesn't peck my tablet well?
Come on. Reading them toffees. Oh, that's good job. Oh, good job. Wake him up. What happened? Come here. Here. What happened to you? Oops. Oops. Oh my God.
Oh my god. Oh, that's too good.
Go get her, bud. Go get her. Go get her. Oh, so close. Go get her, buddy. Go get her.
Your breath smells like fish and I love it. Oh my god. Hey, I don't want Cole to bite him. Ow, he's biting me. Stop.
一定要学会如何隐藏自己，不动如实，锁定目标，蓄势待发，迅捷如风。 monster. Yeah, mostly cold. I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth. Sometimes my lips get stuck in my teeth.
Is the snowman gonna get you? Is he gonna get you? He gonna get you?
Baby. Mean. Mean dog. He's so mean.
¿Todavía visto alguna cosa así alguna vez?
Está grabando, son así, son locos. Como que dice, eso es para mí, eso es mío, eso es mío.
Sácale bastante.
Esto es mío.
It's alright. It's just a bath.
Anymore?
Ooh, good cat. Wrap it up.
He's alive. We just buried him. Buried alive. And his nice little pillow and his ball.
We'll go get some tacos. We can go get a taco. Maybe some... He doesn't know what a taco is.
There's my girl.
Oh, if I would have known you were this sick, I never would have made you go to the opera.
Maybe. It was a once in a lifetime experience. Right? That's it.
Okay, Parker, go get it.
No, your bed can't go outside. Juno.
And here's the shadow that he's been attacking for the last 10 minutes. Oh, let's do that.
Charm out. Look, you're looking good.
Well, there goes all the Spanish moss. Oh my gosh. Where's the toy?
Good girl. Good girl.
Bella. Oh, wait. Okay, come on. Sit.
She's gonna fall out, Denise.
Have the kiss of frog to experience the magic. See the frog frog, the brand new frog exhibit with nearly 30 species of frogs. It's new, it's fun, and it's only in the Hayford Aquarium. You haven't seen frogs like this before. Save during family hours. 2 kids get free with each adult paying full price Sunday through Friday from 4:30 till 7 p.m. Strollers are welcome.
For a free visitor's guide and a chance to win a girlfriend's getaway package report, visit
likely to exercise and eat healthy and are more likely to suffer from chronic diseases. The survey finds that the higher rates are linked to lower well-being among Americans. Factors such as lack of support, financial struggles, and a low sense of purpose all play an important role in the fight against obesity. We know.
Come here, Charlie.
He's like laughing because we're all laughing with Matt because she's taking
room and what's up, Grob? You get yourself a little stuck there, baby? Okay, I'll help you.
Consequence number 5, the sleepless night. Robitussin DMX Night Times dual action liquid instantly soothes your throat and delivers fast, powerful cough relief.
Here's what the Blue Jays pitchers have done in elimination games. How about Estrada? Twice now, Blue Jays season on the line. He's been great. He was great in the first round, but today, he was better. That's the bottom line. They got a wonderful performance out of him. And let's talk about now.